Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of standard 7 chapter number 2 exercise 2.4. First question is find 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So here 12 divide 3 upon 4 is given. So what we have to do, if we here division is given, if we change the sign, if I change the sign into this division into multiply, then this number will be the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours it is 12. So 4 fours it is 16. So the answer is 16. Next one, 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So we have to write 14 divided by 5 upon 6. Then if we change this sign, then this number will be the reciprocal. So this is 6 upon 5. So 14 6 it is 84 upon 5. Then 8 divided by 7 upon 3. Here 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So if we change this sign, then this number will be the reciprocal. So 8 3 it is 24. So it is 24 upon 7. Now fourth number, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So we have to write like this. 3 divided by, first here the number is given in a mixed fraction form. So we have to convert this into improper fraction. So it is 3 2 6, 6 plus 1 that is 7. So it is 7 by 3. Now here we change the sign, so now we have to write the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal of 7 upon 3, that is 3 upon 7. So 3 3s are 9. So it is 9 upon 7. Now 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7. So here 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7. So here 5, 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4 it is 20. 5 upon 7. So now here we change the sign. So here we have to write the reciprocal. So 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. So the answer is 7 upon 5. Now question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and the whole numbers. Here the number is given, that is 3 upon 7. We have to find out the reciprocal of this number and then we have to classify them as improper, proper or whole number. So let's see, first is 3 upon 7. So 3 upon 7, reciprocal as 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3. So 7 upon 3, here we have to write like this. Here 7 is greater than 3. That means numerator is greater than denominator. So therefore it is an improper fraction. Here the numerator is greater than denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Now next number, 9 upon 7. So here the reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9. So here we have to write like this. Here 7 is smaller than 9. It means numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Now third number, 1 upon 11. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is equal to 11. The reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is 11. So here it is a whole number. So this question is very easy. You have to convert this into its reciprocal and then you have to classify this as improper, proper or whole number. First of all, you have to do the reciprocal of the given quotient and then you have to classify them as proper, improper or whole number. Now question number 3, 7 by 3 divided by 2. So here 7 by 3. So here this 2 is given in the numerator, so there is nothing in the denominator, so we have to write 1. Now if we change this sign into multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of this. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So 7 ones are 7 and 3 twos are, it is 6. So 7 by 6 is the answer. Then 4 upon 9 divided by 5. So here also in numerator it is 5, so we have to write 1 in the denominator. Now if we change this sign, so we have to write the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 upon 5. So 4 ones are 4 and here 4 nines are, it is 9 fives are, it is 45. Then 6 upon 13 divided by 7 upon 1. So here also if we change the sign, we have to write the reciprocal of 7, so it is 1 upon 7. So if 6 ones are 6 and 13 sevens are, it is 91. So our answer is 6 upon 91. Now 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. So here 4 1 by 3 divided by 3 upon 1. So here this number is given in a mixed fraction form, so we have to convert this. So 3 4 it is 12 and plus 1 13 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 1. So if we change this sign over here, so it is यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, it is 1 upon 3. So 13 ones are, it is 13 and 3 threes are, it is 9. So the answer is 13 upon 9. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So here 3 divided by 2. 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So 3 twos are, it is 6 plus 1, that is 7 upon 2 divided by 4. So here we have to write 1 in the denominator. So it is 7 upon 2. Here 1 upon 4. So 7 ones are 7 and here 4 twos are, it is 8. So our answer is 7 upon 8. Then here this number is given in a mixed fraction form, so we have to convert this. So first convert this 7 4s are, it is 28, 29, 30, 31. So it is 31 upon 7 divided by 7 upon 1. So here 31 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. So 31 ones are 31 upon 7 sevens are, it is 49. So our answer is 31 upon 49. Now question number 4, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So here 2 upon 5. If we change the sign, so this number will be the reciprocal. So here 2 upon 1. So 2 twos are, it is 4, 4 upon here 5 ones are, it is 5. So our answer is 4 upon 5. Here 4 upon 9 is given, and this if we change this sign, then this number will be the reciprocal. So it is 3 upon 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So the thing is possible. So here our answer is 2 upon 3. Next 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. So here 3 upon 7. Here we have to write the multiply. So this number will be the reciprocal. So it is 7 upon 8. So 7 ones are 7. So our answer is 3 upon 8. Now number 4. 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So here this number is given in a mixed fraction form. So we have to convert this. So it is 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7 upon 3. Here 3 upon 5. So if we change this sign, then we have to change this number into its reciprocal. So it is 5 upon 3. So now 7 5s are, it is 35 and 3 3s are, it is 9. So here numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this into mixed fraction form. So 9 3s are, it is 27. So here we have to put 15 and here 2. So 15 minus 7, it is 8. So we have to write 9 in the denominator, and this remainder 8 we have to write it upward, and this 3 we have to write it in the side. So our answer is 3 8 by 9. Then 3 1 by 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So here 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 divided by 8 upon 3. Here 7 upon 2 into 3 upon 8. So now 7 3s are, it is 21 and 8 2s are, it is 16. So here also the numerator is greater than denominator, so we have to convert this. So 16 one side is 16. Here we have to write 11 and here 1. So 11 minus 6 that is 5. So we have to write 16 in the denominator and this 5 we have to write it upward and this 1 we have to write it in the side. So our answer is 1 5 by 16. Then number 6, 2 upon 5 divided by 1, 1 by 2. So here 2 upon 5 divided by 2 ones are 2 plus 1 that is 3 upon 2. So here 2 by 5, here 2 upon 3. So 2 2s are, it is 4 and 5 is it is 15. So here our answer is 4 upon 15. Now 7 number 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So here we have to convert this 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 it is 16 upon 5 divided by 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 upon 3. So 16 upon 5. If we change this sign, so we have to write 3 upon 5 over here. So 16 3 side is 48 upon 25. So here also numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this 48 to 25. So 25 ones are 25. 8 minus 5 is 3, 4. So यहाँ पर आएगा it is 23. So we have to write 25 in the denominator. This 23 remainder we have to write it in a numerator and this one we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 123 upon 25. Now 8 number 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. So here 5 is a 10. 10 plus 1 it is 11 upon 5. Then 5 1 by 5 plus 1 it is 6 upon 5. Here 11 upon 5. Here we have to put multiply. So if you put here multiply, so we have to make this number reciprocal. So it is 5 upon 6. So 5 5 cut. So our answer is 11 upon 6. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction form because the numerator is greater than denominator. So 6 ones are 6. So here 5 is the remainder. So we have to write 6 in the denominator. This 5 remainder we have to write it upward and this one we have to write it in a side. So our answer is 1 5 by 6. Dear students, here we completed our exercise 2.4. I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.